Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account, right? So this is really easy. I'm going to do this tutorial on mobile and in PC. In this case, I'm using my computer. So fine, as you can see, now I'm on Facebook official webpage, and the only thing that I have to do is to press on my profile picture and now go to settings and privacy. Again, I'm going to press on settings, and now I'm going to my account center. So here you will see that I have my Instagram account, my Facebook account, but the important thing if I want to delete my Facebook account is to go to personal detail, and now here I'm going to press on account ownership and control. As you can see below, it says manage your data, modify your legacy contact, deactivate or delete your account. We are going to continue with deletion, and I'm going to select my Facebook account in this case, and now I'm going to choose between deactivate or delete. In this case, this tutorial is for deleting it, so I'm going to press right here and continue. So now the next step is to confirm if we want to delete our pages, and now we have to tell them why are we deleting our Facebook account. So I'm not going to continue anymore because this is going to delete my account for real, but this is the tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.